friends, today I'll come with another new project. The project name is Family Talking. So we can call like not like a family tracking, friends talking. So by using this application, we track any n number of peoples by using our application. So I'm opening this application for tracking. In this application, we are using GPS service for alerts. We're sending some SMSs by using SMS managers. So like that we are using we implemented this application. For this application we have using so many of APIs. Like for storing of data we are using Firebase API. Okay, so and then for sending the SMSs we are using SMS integration API. For tracking the location we are using GPS services API. So this all by using this all the service of APIs we are using this application, we are creating this application. Okay, so for this application we are using the database called like Firebase. So this is the global database. This all the information of this application will stored in Firebase database only. Okay, now we'll come with the application like front end view. Okay, so when I'm clicking my app logo, this is our first launcher page. So in this launcher page I'll get one login page. For the login of this page I required some phone number and password. Okay, still I'm not yet registered in this application, so that I go for new user registration here. If you already registered, you directly give your phone number and password, log into your home page. So still I'm not yet registered in this application, so that I'll go to register page. For registration here they are asking the name, password, phone number and email. So these are all the default normal values, so that I giving my name and my password, phone number and email ID, register. So when I am clicking the registration button, first this backgroundly what they do, if based on their name, phone number, email, if the details are already exist the before users, they shown like the phone number and email already exist. If the details are not already exist, then all the details will be stored in database. So what I gave details in my registration page, these details are not available in the database, so that my registration page gives a pop-up like registration success. So after registration again I get back to my login page. For the login I am giving my registration phone number. So I'm giving some wrong password, random password. It's showing like invalid login details. If the enter the user phone number and password is correct, then only this login will be success. The entered phone number and password both are is correct, then only will enter into the home page. Okay, so after logging to my home page, I'll get one help button. Okay, when I'm clicking my help button, uh, if I'm in any emergency situation, so for logging and clicking an emergency button is very difficult process. So that reason, so I'll put this button in my home page. So when I'm in emergency, when I'm clicking this help button, all my guardians like my family members, friends will get their notification like through SMS, through call, through email. So okay, for the getting the emails and notification, first we need to add our family members. So that I clicking the add guardian numbers. So here we no need to add more details, just we add only the phone numbers. Submit. So invalid phone number, add guardian here like phone number. So now I'm adding some, I'm giving some unknown number. It's giving pop-up like invalid phone number. So why it's showing invalid phone number means based on that mobile number the app is not there. So based on that phone number the family tracking application is not there, so that is showing like invalid phone number. So that for adding a guardian, so we require another new user. So new user like name Venu and password and phone number and email ID, register. Okay, so now I am logging with my details. Submit. So now I am trying to add the guardian. So based on that number account is existed, so that reason now the request is sent success. So I'm trying to add the guardian to that phone number. uh, that guardian need to accept my request. If he need to be guardian or not we don't know, so that that guardian need to accept my request, then only he will be act like my guardian. So that I'll go for that login. For operating this application we have the minimum two mobiles. For using the two mobiles we cannot record this session, so that reason. So for the two accounts I'm using only the one mobile only. So I'm logging with some another account. To login, view guardian request. Look, Shravani put request as a guardian to the Venu. If he want to accept act like his Shravani's guardian, he can accept or reject. I'm accepted. Okay, when I'm accepting that request, the Venu can view Shravani's map location, and Venu want to chat with his. Like, hi, I'm Venu send message to the Shravani. He's sending the messages. Like while accepting the request, he can chat and he can view his live location, view my guardians, and still Venu doesn't add any guardians. So that reason in his view my guardians no one available. Okay, so when I'm clicking the track application, all the family members location details are still is available here. Right now no one is in online, so that reason we'll get empty location, empty map. So now I go for Shravani. After login, so when I'm clicking the view my guardians, look, if I want to if Venu want to see my live location, I giving like my option like online. Okay, now Venu can track my location. If Venu doesn't want to track my location, I'm giving like option like offline. Now Venu doesn't track my location because of I give permission to Venu. He now right now he don't track my live location. If he want to track my live location, I'm giving option like online. Okay, if he don't want to track my location, I'm giving option like offline. So like that we can put online and offline for the particular guardian also. So when I'm clicking chat, so before that Venu send some messages, right? Hi. So here also I'm sending hello. So like we can chat here also. So try. So no one in online, so that reason we are getting empty map. If anyone if any peoples are online, we'll get all the live locations details here. So view my guardian, I'm giving like online to some particular people. Look, Venu has trying to track my location or not. For tracking our application, so all the users need to be log in with this application. Look, now he is in offline, so it is now you don't get the view map. If he is in online, then he will get the map button. So like that, we will track the individual people tracking. We can track this tracker, we can track all the family people tracking. Okay. So when I am clicking this help button, now all my guardians will get the calls, get the SMSs, they get emails. Okay, so like this, when I'm in emergency, I'm directly, when I'm clicking the help button, they get automatically my live location, and they get automatically the call and everything. Okay, so like this, our application, we can track our families and friends and relatives any. Okay, so this is my SMS sending balance. So right now they get the SMSs also. So log out. So by using this application, we can track the users live locations, and users, we can chat with the family people. If any user doesn't want to track my live location, we can put there in offline also. So that we'll by using our application, we are implementing this all the operations. Okay, thank you.